I had to start learning to live without her, because very nice, and 2025 was the time where I had to let go of those bonds. Have to be a content creator to be happy. Hi, this is just a video that I'm making to wrap up my 2025, all the things that happened, so that when I watch this video in 2026, I should know where I was and where I went, or it could be anywhere, because I did not expect 2025 to be that way. Oh my god. Whew. Even before I start talking about 2025, it's just too much, but I want to just put it out, put it in the universe, and let universe decide what to do with it and how to make my next year. You better make it better. You better make it. Well, the one thing that happened is that one person I used to live with for almost 2 years became my soulmate, best friend, everything. She got married, and I had to start learning to live without her, because we used to do literally everything together, right from waking up, getting our life together, being in a healthy journey together, crying together, laughing together, and every time you feel like okay, you're losing out on something, she'll always be there. We'll always do our thing together. It felt like we're living like husband and wife, where she would look after 50% of the things and I would look after 50% of the things, and it felt like nothing could be really better than this, because we lived in a good place. I still live there, so which makes it really harder, because she's not there anymore and I am there in the same flat. I felt the whole void and the loneliness and everything. So that's there. That was, I think, I'm still trying to process through it. It is very hard to live without her, and the standards are so high after that. Like, I don't know if I could be living with someone else like that if it is not that perfectly smooth. तो मुझे नहीं पता if I could live like that, but it was really nice. She got married. It was nice. Like, I'm really happy for her, because then it gives me hope that people can have happy endings like she did. No Nazar, please, no Nazar. I wanna fix this. Yeah. After that, I don't know. After that, I also switched my job, because the company I was working before, a lot of people left from there. It was good. It was amazing. I have my best people working there with me. I don't know, like, the bonds were like really nice, and 2025 was the time where I had to let go of those bonds. ऐसे नहीं था कि झगड़ा हो गए. That's the worst part, right? Like, it's not the fight that led us apart, but because of the situation and the whole growing up shit led us apart. And which is, I have to say, which is more sad for women, because they are the ones who are changing places. They are the ones who are changing cities, and it sucks. Okay, so that's there. So when I switched my job, the most heartbreaking thing was to let go of my colleagues, my office friends. And बहुत मस्त है यार हम लोग. It never felt like I was going to the work. I never felt like Mondays were like a burden. I would love to go to my work. I would love to go there, but you need to grow, you need to step up, you need to find your directions, which is not at the same place sometimes, and that's what happened. And that's why I had to let go of this job. And then I was also traveling. I went to a lot of places, and I was trying to figure out relationships, and not just like one type of relationship, sare type of relationships. I was just trying to figure out, forgiving myself a lot of things and forgiving other people for a lot of things, but finding and accepting that not everything is going to, kitna bhi you try to hold on to things, kitna bhi you want to cling on to how great it felt back then, the whole environment, the friends and the family thing, the bonds, it's not going to stay the same. Just accept it and make it smoother for yourself, so that the more you try to keep it the way it used to be, it's just gonna keep getting bad, and you're just gonna keep getting hurt. I don't know where is this coming from. I don't know, but this is what my 2025 was all about, because of my roommate leaving, the job switching up, the whole traveling with other people and not the same मतलब वो था ना, you just have to make, you know, your people for different things from different area. And I am blessed. I am actually very much blessed that I have great parents who support me no matter what I do. I have a great brother. I have great set of friends here and there who are just there whenever I need it. Now, you cannot expect things to be always like how you see it on Instagram. That is one thing I'm, you know, subconsciously it gets into your head, but you have to really fight hard to tell your brain it's not true. It's not true. It's not true. It's not always like this. Cannot be always like this. Also, in 2025, I got to know certain things about me professionally. Like, I could be a good, I don't know, somebody people can rely on. I think I would like to call that to myself that. Oh, by the way, when I was leaving my job, the earlier one, my intern gave me a small handwritten note in which it was written that, you know, all those, like, you're nice, blah, blah, blah. But one line that is one of the highlight of my 2025 was, you inspire me. And this was not coming out of content creation and everything. This was coming out of this work that I never thought I would be doing. I never thought that I'm actually good at it or something. I always, even now, I self-doubt myself like, what do I do? Like, what do I like? Because I love content, not just creating it and watching it, but like, you know, managing it. I love the execution part. I love the brainstorming part. I love the teamwork. And maybe that's the reason कि मैं अपना खुद का content creation को बहुत ऐसे strong game में नहीं कर पाती. मैं बहुत try करती हूँ. If you're following me and if you're coming from Instagram, you know that I try hard. And it shows on my feed that this girl is just trying hard, but it's not working out for her. And I know it. Sorry, मुझे strawberry खाना है. मुझे कॉफ़ी पीनी थी. इसी चाकू से लहसुन काटा गया है. Well, yeah. Wait. So like the whole reason is because I don't have a team. Or maybe I'm just procrastinating, but it's best to do or create or think of a content when it's with somebody. Like I wanna team up with somebody and like चलो साथ में कुछ crazy करते हैं. And I used to be this person when I was younger, when I was 17, 18, 19. मैं बहुत on it रहती थी. Like I would collaborate, I would talk to people, I would network, I would meet up, do photo shoots. And if you're somebody who know from that time to me, like अगर तुम मुझे जानते हो, when I used to do photo shoots, style people, photography, so much. But तब मुझे लगता था कि I am creative. But when I see so many people doing the same thing, and when I see तो ऐसा लगता है maybe I'm just not good enough and this is not for me. But मुझे ऐसा भी लगता है. So any which way, so 2025 I tried to get my Instagram game together, but it didn't happen. But I feel good that I'm good at the marketing part of it for any brand, the consumer psychology and everything, and I'm happy there. It's not like I'm not. I'm very happy there, but sometimes Instagram just try to tell me differently, like maybe you're not happy, you have to be a content creator to be happy. So 2025 में ये थोड़ा struggle रहा है, which I'm trying to work on. Then also this year, a lot of my friends and close ones I saw was like getting married, and I'm like so happy for them, so happy. At the same time, it makes me feel like, am I lagging behind? मतलब तुम कुछ भी बोल लो, how much ever you explain yourself, you know what, everybody has their own time and la 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 la, and I get that. But and it's not just about them getting married. Even, you know, when they're like getting promoted or doing their business and it's going well, and you know, subconsciously in your brain you're like, am I not being enough? Am I being lazy? Am I procrastinating? Am I not at my best potential? Am I wasting my life? ये बहुत normal है, ठीक है? Especially after 25, this is very normal. So if you're watching this and you're feeling like this, we both can cry together about it, because you're not alone. I am with you. But I am also very happy about 2025 that I got to travel a lot. I went to GB, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Goa, yeah, that is one thing I'm really grateful for 2025, and thank you so much for giving just that good part to me. Other than that, I was also trapped in a lot of pattern that I knew I was supposed to break out of it. But जितना बोलना easy होता है ना, जो Instagram पे तुम्हें दिखाते हो, like just break out of this, but that's gonna be okay. ऐसा नहीं होता है, ठीक है? You fail a lot of time to get out of that pattern, and you keep doing that until you know it's your new habit. But you're going to fail a lot of time. You're a human. You are surrounded by opinions. You're surrounded by people telling you what to do, what not to do. It's none of your thoughts. So यही है यार जो है. Basically 2025 was a lot. I mean, I don't think so this was the year. इससे बकवास ईयर कोई नहीं था मेरा. Not like ऐसे बहुत वन इंसिडेंट नहीं, ऐसा होता है ना, बैक टू बैक. मैंने मेरे जॉब स्विच होने के बाद एक और जगह ज्वाइन किया था. इट वाज एन एजेंसी एंड इट वाज फक ऑल. I can't even, every time I think about it, it feels like a traumatic experience. It was like for 2 months. I did go on a vacation in the middle, but it was very manipulative and very bad energy. उससे बाहर निकल के बाद उससे हील मतलब हील नहीं बोलूँगी मैं. ऐसा जब मैं 27 year old, I cannot use words like I'm trying to heal from this, because I don't think so I have time to heal from anything anymore, but I have to. So it's December now. I have my family trip coming up. We are going on this trip after I think 15 years, so I'm hoping that this whole vacation goes without any fight. That is one thing. And yeah, I mean, I was rotting on bed for weeks, but now I got up and I am just like, I don't want to think of a perfect topic to talk about while creating content. So this is here, random, raw. If you feel like connected with me, please subscribe, or even leave a comment, or have my Instagram DM me. Let's chill together and let's hope, please, 2026 to be way better than this. You have to make it up to me, 2026. This was not cool.